Hi guys, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make these delicious homemade granola bars. Granola bars can be a good source of energy. They are healthy breakfast and snack options that you and your kids will enjoy. Granola bars are quite simple to make. So let's get started. Preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. And next, line your square baking pan with a parchment paper. These are the ingredients you will need to make your granola bars. Some oats, chopped nuts, chopped dates, pumpkin seeds, raisins, some honey, cinnamon, and vanilla essence. To make them, pour some oats into a large bowl. Next, add in your chopped dates, the chopped nuts. You can also use any nuts you prefer. I'm using almonds, pumpkin seeds, the raisins, a pinch of salt, and some cinnamon powder. Stir everything until well combined. Next, add in the honey and vanilla essence. Stir all the ingredients together until everything is well coated with the honey. The more you stir, the better. Guys, can you see how easy this granola bar recipe is? I would like to thank my returning subscribers for liking, commenting, and sharing my videos. You guys are amazing. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do me a favor by subscribing and be a part of the family. Thank you. Once all the ingredients are well coated with the honey, pour your mixture into the baking pan lined with parchment paper. Use the back of your spoon to press firmly into the pan. Press firmly into an even layer. Take a piece of parchment paper and use your hands or glass to continue to press the mixture down evenly. Next, place the pan in your preheated oven and bake about 20 to 30 minutes until golden brown. Remove from the oven and transfer to a cooling rack. Remove them from the pan once they are cooled completely. Cut your granola bars into your preferred sizes. These granola bars are healthy and delicious, and you can have them as a breakfast option on the go or as a snack. If you enjoyed this video, then check out my no oven homemade granola bar and granola playlist here. You will love them. The links are in the description box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and also share this video with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.